Good evening, everyone. Today I have got very special guests. Very, very special guests. They are so special and so intelligent and so proud. This is Wani and this is Helen. Okay, Helen and Wani. Wani, what does your name mean?
Oh, it means one Kurdish lake, and it's a real nice place.
Yes, her name is Wan and it's a Kurdish lake and it's a very beautiful place. She is right. Wani is a lake in Kurdistan, Turkey.
She's been there.
And it's a very, very beautiful lake, actually. They have very beautiful cats there as well.
Good.
Yep. And Helen, what does your name mean?
It means bird's nest in my language.
Yes?
Helena Chuka.
Helena Chuka, oh la la. That's a very nice name. Right, girls, I would like to ask you some questions and I want to see how much you know about your origin, okay? So, Wani, how many Kurdish people are there in the world?
Well, on the world, there are 40 million.
40 million Kurdish people. Wow.
Wow.
Helen, how many, what do you know about Kurdistan then? What happened to Kurdistan?
Well, it's split into 4 parts. One of them is Syria, the other one Turkey, Iraq and Iran.
Okay, so it's split into 4 parts. Turkey, Syria, Iraq and Iran. Okay, at the moment you girls, I think you always watch the news and you always ask us questions. What's going on in Syria, what's going on in Iran and what's going on in all other parts. In Turkey as well, yeah? So can you tell me about Syria, Wani? Because you seem to be really interested. When you watch kids, you kind of get upset sometimes and you want to help them.
Well, sometimes it's upsetting because people die and it makes people cry and you just want to be together, all a good family, and it's just really upsetting that people die and their mums and dads and their kids might be crying right now, and it's just not real good because some kids might not even watch this because it's a really bad thing to watch, and then you go to the hospital and it's real upsetting. And African people as well, all the countries, African people. What she's trying to say is keep safe and stay with your family. Yeah. Never go away from your family. Not like for 1 second. And this is
so. Do you girls want freedom for everyone? Do you think that everyone deserves to have the freedom of speech
and have a happy life?
Yeah, just have a happy, peaceful life, like you two girls. Yeah. You want to have peaceful life, but you be close to your mummy and daddy, and nobody hurting you.
No.
And spending every day with your loved ones. So I think we all deserve. This is not just to us Kurdish people, is it? Do you want this
for everybody around the world, not just for us? It's for like English people, Russian people, anybody in the whole UK.
So everyone around the world, you want
And at the end, we'll just say freedom.
Oh, you want to say freedom? Well, it's the end now. So what do you want to say? Freedom for everyone and peace to all the wonderful people in this world. And we have so much love in our heart that we want peace for everybody in the world. And we are all the same. And we all deserve to be happy. All the children, all the adults in the world.
Happy life. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you for
listening. Bye.